Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a very nice, clean 2012 Bobcat S630 M Series loader. This machine is loaded up pretty nice. It has cab, heat, air, power attach. Does have the keyless dash in it. Machine is 99% original. The only thing we touched up was just the back bumper here in the back door. Machine, all the white is original. All the glass is in the cab. This machine has just 1,630 hours. It is a pre-admissions Kubota V3307, 74 horsepower machine. Very nice, clean little machine. It is ready to go to work. It's had a full service. All filters and oils have been changed, including cabin filters, and is ready to go. Does have a very nice Bobcat brand 74-inch heavy-duty bucket with it also. We'll start you back here in the engine compartment, take you completely around this machine. We'll start here looking at the back door. Back door is very nice and straight. We did paint it. It was just faded. We did put the new decals on it from Bobcat, but it is a very straight machine. Back bumper is straight itself also. Nothing there has been messed with or anything like that at all. Again, this thing has had a full service. So we mark all of our filters, 1629 we did the service. Kubota V3307, 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. And that is a non-DPF, no urea, nothing like that. This would be the last of the Tier 4 interim engines. So we did do the hydraulic filter in the tank and also charge fan filter. Battery is good. There is no oil leaks on this machine. I'll guarantee this machine to be 110% just the way you say it, or the way I say it is. Back door shuts nice there. We did reseal all 4 cylinders. They were not pouring or anything like that. They were just damp. We wanted to go ahead and do that. We did both tilt, both lift. That way somebody does not have an issue. I did put 4 brand new D-Stone 12-16-5 heavy duty tires on it. This unit does have both axle weights on both sides on the rear axle. It does again have a good Bobcat 74-inch bucket. Bolt-on cutting edge you can put on, but it does not have it with it, but it's pre-drilled for that. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach with power attach, and that works very, very well. And again, all the white paint on the boom, loader arms, back corners is original. These fronts we did touch here, they were chipped up with stone, okay? Auxiliary hydraulics with case drain and 7-pin attachment control device. Windshield wiper, everything here is good and intact. Actually, we did order a new blade for here. That will be here tomorrow, and we will have that installed. That blade has a twist in it, and that was the thing we were waiting on. Cab handles, grab handles are very, very nice. I had an S160 come in from the same customer. Man took very good care of his equipment. Cab door opens and shuts nice. There is a scuff in the glass right here. I want everybody to see that. Doesn't affect anything. There again, that is us being honest. Not a lot of people will do what we do and show stuff. Does have the sound deadening pack in it. Bobcat suspension seat, standard controls machine. We'll go ahead here. We'll get through the dash display, show you everything works there. So, go into the deluxe display here first. No active warnings. Here is your RPMs, pressure, temperature, voltage, everything there, charge pressure. We'll take this one step further. We're going to go over here, 1,630 hours, 1220 on the RPMs, 14.3 on volts, service clock is off, and there is no error codes in this machine. Push to operate button, park brake switch. It does have auto level, throttle, power up and down for your power attach, washer and wiper, which everything air pump works. You do have your heat and air conditioning. We did throw the gauges on, check the pressures on the air. Everything there is good. Fill. One nice thing on these M's, they did put a nice set of sliding windows in them, which is something very nice. Ducted heating system. It does have an LED light that also works with the cab door. So whenever the cab door opens, it turns the light on. And again, this is a standard controls machine. Go ahead, turn the camera back over to Matt. We're going to fire this thing back up, take it, run it, show you what everything's supposed to do. Well guys, we hope you can see here from the video, this machine starts, runs, and works and handles very, very well. It's a nice, clean machine. It's fully serviced and ready to go to work. This is a nice size skid steer. It's got a lot of power. This is going to be the same thing as an S650, except for it's a radius lift boom versus a vertical. I believe these are 2,120 pound to lift, I believe. With the weights, you're probably around 2,250. Nice size machine again. Power quick attach cab heat air, and that thing has a heater and it'll roast you out. Deluxe dash panel, sound deadening package, Kubota pre-admissions engine, 74 horse. So if you're looking for a nice size skid loader, here is something to take a look at. Again, 2012 M series loader, pre-admissions. This stuff's getting harder to come by. If you've got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, if you need a freight quote, let us know. We'll be glad to get you one. If you're looking for any other attachments, we are the Northeast dealer for CID and Extreme Attachments. We also carry products from Erskine, Vernig, and several other manufacturers. So if we can help you in any way, we'll be glad to help you. 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.